Alright, so we're back at home, no longer out on the land, but it's starting to become springtime out here, and that means that it's got to be yard cleanup day because we've gone since November. Haven't really done anything in the yard, and my dogs have torn up a couch cushion and torn up our faucet covers and just generally made a mess. And then we've got clover and different stuff growing in. So got my helpers back with me. Everybody's got a trash bag. Yeah, everybody's got a trash bag, and I told them whoever gets the most stuff is going to get a prize. So hope you enjoy. spray some Roundup in all my flower beds where the weeds have gotten out of control. I don't like picking weeds, so I just spray them down. It's supposed to deactivate once it hits soil, so it's safe to spray around plants and bushes and trees and things, as long as it just only absorbs through the leaves. So then we went around and did some weed eating, did the mowing. My last step is I'm going to use this NitroFos weed and feed, and I got this off the I got it at Ace Hardware here locally, but it was recommended off the Garden Line sort of lawn maintenance Saturday morning radio show. And for St. Augustine, they recommended for Southeast Texas to have a 15-5-10 formula. So that's what we're going to put out. Hopefully it'll get rid of a bunch of this clover and dollar weed and some of this other stuff that's come up here in the spring. Alright, so I still got a long way to go, but it's definitely better than it was. See all the, at least the clover's knocked down. Hopefully we can get with the weed and feed, it won't grow back. We got a bunch of mulch. We got 30 bags of mulch from our band fundraiser that's sitting out in the driveway, and I've got to wait till the Roundup takes effect, and it'll kill all this weeds and junk that's in my flower beds. Then we'll come behind and put mulch. We haven't done mulch in a couple years, so this winter all the winter weeds came in really strong and really kind of taken over. Had a pretty good freeze, killed some of my plants, but you know, stuff will grow back. All the stuff that we've planted recently is supposed to be drought proof and freeze proof, and it's all lived. My oleander, I think this is called bridal wreath, and knockout roses, and we even got a Texas redbud back here in the corner, and these things haven't died, so hopefully they'll come back this spring, and we can get some more plants kind of filling the gaps. But anyway, it's like I say, not nearly done, but quite a lot better than it was. Alright, see y'all next time.